Here is our brand new Samsung Galaxy 8. We are going to unbox it, and while unboxing I'm taking the pictures and oh, bless you, boy, bless you, my boy. This is the box. This is the box. I just want to open oh, sticker here so that I can take it, peel it off. Wow. Oh my gosh. Yep, I have seen here Samsung Galaxy 8 gray colors. This is the phone, still brand new, everything. Just open it. Let's see what else we have got. This is a pin remover, SIM card tray remover, and there we go. There we have a. Let me tear this one apart. So this is the pin remover. Oh, that's quite nice. That's quite designable. Here we got a charger for this one. Charger, and where is, oh, brand new headphones. Charging cable. This is the headphone. Nice headphones. That's so nice headphones. And what is this? This is yeah, wireless charging dock. This is extra charging equipment. I don't know why is this name. Anyway, we got another pack as well, which is for wireless charging. Let me open it up. Come on. Sorry. Wow. That's fast charge. Yes. Let me. Oh, it's on. Okay, let's see. Wow. Quite nice box. How does it work? This is just to place on top of it the phone, and it will be charging. So you don't need any cables and everything. You just need to put the cable on it and place it. Thank you very much. This is in our video.